pressure ratings on this?
This is from 20 to 200. It's almost 4 psi. It's pretty easy. You just push the button and then you know, just select which pressure you want on it, and then you can have different modes and different times, and then if you want to deselect, it's pretty straightforward right there. So I think setting it up is a little bit, you know, you have to fumble with this cord, which I'm actually sitting on. And sometimes the boots, like just getting them set up is a little bit trickier. Also, you have to be next to, you know, a source of power so you can plug it in. So the cost is about $745. Oh, so it's all, so one of the modes is like it goes all the way up and then it holds it. And then this mode A is like it does the foot, releases, the calf release, and then it releases. But then if I do this mode, it does them all at the same time and then releases all at the same time. What else did I want to say? Oh, another pro, you know, with Speed Hound, they have different inserts. So if you want to have a shorter person and they have a little bit bigger legs, you can, you know, put an insert in there. And Speed Hound or Normatec is just one boot. Okay, so the ease of use is a lot easier. You don't have to unattach the zipper, so you don't have to do that beginning spot, so they're always easy to zip up. The cord you plug into the system that's already in here, so that's easy, and then you just have this, which is a lot smaller. I don't have another cord I have to put into. It was a lot easier. Okay, so the portability, it's just this little box and I can take it wherever and I can go over with it. The battery life is 2 hours when it's fully charged, so you can get a couple sessions out of it, each charging session. So the pressure is 30 to 110 millimeters of mercury, or about 2 psi. But it says it's that much, but the squeeze on this, like technically the Speed Hound has a lot more pressure, which is why we originally bought it and why I wanted Speed Hound. But with the Normatec, the squeeze, I just feel it a lot more. I don't know, I just squeeze like I wouldn't know that this is less of the millimeters. And also the quality of the boots, I just feel like they're just a better, like they just feel sturdier, and they have this overlapping, they just feel a little bit more quality in their boots as well. For the programs on the Normatec, it's actually, the Speed Hound doesn't have any programs besides the 2 that we talked about. But they have different, oops, it won't let me show you, but they have like a recovery flush, or they have, what's the other one? A rehab. I can't remember the other one. And then with both systems, you have all 3 attachments. So they both have the legs, they have the hips, and they have the arm sleeves. So just for what you see here, it's $8.99. So after using Normatec for, we've had it for about a year, so after having Speed Hound for about a year, I still had this curiosity about Normatec, and I still just wanted to try Normatec. And I went to a place that had the Normatec boots, and I loved them. So if I would go back in time, I would do Normatec hands down.